Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. GLA is everything you need in a compact SUV, like flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, and everything you want in Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, driver memory seats, and automatic transmission. Of the GLA, Cars.com writes, "Quiet and smooth with long legs, this compact Benz loves the highway." Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,